வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே. இப்போ நம்ம 9th ஹிஸ்ட்ரி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெசனுக்குரிய புக் பேக் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்ப்போம். அந்த லெசன் நேம் எவல்யூஷன் ஆஃப் ஹியூமன்ஸ் அண்ட் சொசைட்டி ப்ரீ ஹிஸ்டாரிக் பீரியட். Choose dash is genetically closest to humans. The answer is chimpanzee. Second one, the period called dash marks the beginning of agriculture and animal domestication. The answer is C. Neolithic. Third one, direct ancestor of modern man was dash. Answer is C. Homo sapiens. Fourth one, dash refers to the area covering Egypt, Israel, Palestine and Iraq. The answer is B. Fertile Crescent. Fifth one, Sir Robert Bruce Fruit, a geologist from England, first discovered the dash tools at Pallavaram near Chennai. Answer is B. Paleolithic. Sixth one, the period before the introduction of writing is called prehistory. The prehistoric people developed language, made beautiful paintings and artifacts. The prehistoric societies are treated as literate. The prehistoric period is called ancient. The answer is 1 and 3 are 1 and 2 are correct. Answer is B. 1 and 2 are correct. Seventh one, the Neolithic people used polished stones axes called cells. Evidence of Neolithic village is found at Payampalli in Chennai district. The cultural period that succeeded the Neolithic is called the Bronze Age. The period that witnessed domestications of animals and cultivation of crops is called Mesolithic. Answer is A. 1 is correct. Assertion, many of the Mesolithic sites are found nearby rivers and tanks. Reason, irrigation management developed during Mesolithic period. Answer is D. A and R are both are correct. Both are incorrect. Sorry. Answer is D. A and R both are incorrect. Fill in the blanks. Hand axes and cleavers are the important tool types of the dash culture. Answer is Lower Paleolithic. The methods and techniques involved in the production of stone tools are called dash technology, lithic technology. Dash is known as the Middle Stone Age as it is placed between the Paleolithic and Neolithic. Answer is Mesolithic. Find the correct statement. The concept survival of the fittest contributed to the scientific understanding of human origins. The book on the origin of species was published by Herbert Spencer. Darwin's theory of biological evolution connects with the process of natural selection. Geology is the study of lithic technology. The correct answer is A and option A. Second one, among the great apes, orangutan is genetically the closest to humans. The ancestors to humans were called hominins and their origins have been traced to Africa. Flake cannot be used for tool making. Acoulian is the main block of stones from which small chips are flaked by using a hammer stone. Answer is B. Match the following. Paleoanthropology, the human ancestor. Hand axe tools, Acoulian. Images on stone and bone, Venus. Red sandstone, Terrace. Stone artifacts of small size, Microlithics. 9th history la second lesson kuria book back questions பார்ப்போம் friends. Ancient civilizations. Choose the correct answer. The earliest signs to denote words through pictures. The answer is B. Pictographic. Second one, the preservation process of dead body in ancient Egypt. Answer is mummification. Third one, the Sumerian system of writing. Answer is cuneiform. Fourth one, the Harappans did not have the knowledge of dash, horse and iron. Fifth one, the bronze image suggestive of the use of lost wax process known to the Indus people. The answer is C. Dancing girl. Sixth one, the oldest civilizations in Mesopotamia belonged to the Akkadians. The Chinese developed the hieroglyphic system. The Europeans and Tigris drained into the Mannar Gulf. Hammurabi, the king of Babylon, was the great lawmaker. The answer is fourth one is correct. Hammurabi, the king of Babylon, was a great lawmaker. Seventh one, Yangtze River is known as Sorrow of China. Who constructed the Great Wall of China? Chinese invented gunpowder. According to traditions, Mencius was the founder of the Taoism. Answer is 3. 3 is correct. Chinese invented gunpowder. 8th one. What is the correct chronological order of 4 civilizations of Mesopotamia? Sumerians, Akkadians, Babylonians, Assyrians. Assertion. Assyrians of Mesopotamian civilizations were contemporaries of Indus Valley civilization. Reason. The documents of an Assyrian ruler refer to the ships from Meluhha. Answer B. A and R are correct, but A doesn't explain R. Fill in the blanks. Dash is a massive limestone image of a lion with a human head. Spins of Giza. Second one. The early form of writing of the Egyptians is known as hieroglyphics. Third one. Dash specifies the laws related to various crimes in ancient Babylonia. Answer is Hammurabi's Code of Law. Fourth one. Dash was the master or chief keeper of Chow states according to traditions. Lao Tse. Fifth one. The terracotta figurines and paintings on the pottery from the site suggest the artistic skills of the Harappans. Find out the correct statement. The Great Bath at Harappa is well built with several adjacent rooms. The cuneiform inscriptions related to Epic of Gilgamesh. The terracotta figurines and dancing girls made of copper suggest the artistic skills of Egyptians. The Mesopotamians devised a solar calendar system. Answer is A. Second one. Amun was an Egyptian god. The fortified Harappan city had the temples. The Great Sphinx is a pyramid-shaped monument found in ancient Mesopotamia. The invention of the potter's wheel is credited to the Egyptians. Answer is A. Match the following. Paro, the Egyptian king. Papyrus, a kind of grass. Great lawmaker, Hammurabi. Gilgamesh, the oldest written story of earth. The Great Bath, Mohenjo-daro. Thank you நண்பர்களே. இந்த 1 minutes உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு சொல்லி சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். ஏதாவது டவுட்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள்.